Hey everyone, and welcome back into the channel for a unboxing video of the brand new Sketchboard Pro 2, which is compatible with the new 13-inch M4 iPad. That Sketchboard so lovely sent to me, so thank you. Thank you so much for sending this over. I'm so excited to get this opened up for you guys because it has been a long time coming. I recently upgraded my iPad and I didn't have anywhere to put it on while I was drawing, and I was back on the couch like I used to be when I first did my journey in art. So I'm excited to get this upgrade. Anyways, guys, let's unbox it and let's see how it compares to the original Sketchboard Pro. Let's go. This couldn't have come at a better time. I recently upgraded my iPad to the brand new 13-inch M4 model, and finding a compatible tablet holder that doubles as a workstation was next to impossible. This is really what sets this product apart from its competitors. Immediately upon opening it, I can tell it's slightly more compact than its predecessor, saving me space on my desk, and a great feature for not only traveling, but those of us who have smaller workspaces. I also love the detail they used in their packaging, with little doodles not only on the outside of the package, but also on the inside. I'm not sure how long they have been offering white models, but the original one I had was black, and the white is just such a cute addition. The guidebook does say you need to assemble the sketchboard, but mine came pre-assembled, which was a really nice feature. Brand new to this model, and in my opinion, the best feature is the new 30-degree angle. Previously, we only had the 20 and the 72 in landscape mode. That extra 10 degrees makes such a difference in my posture while I'm drawing, and also helps with the dreaded sun glare if you choose to draw outside. Also new to the Pro 2 model are the magnetic legs and the magnetic holes that determine your drawing angles. They work in both portrait or landscape mode. Now, I was skeptical at first as they seemed a bit flimsy, and I thought you had to screw them on, as you can see me doing, but they are very sturdy and feature anti-slip rubber grips, and after using the sketchboard, I prefer these legs over the first sketchboard model. They're super easy to pop in and adjust your drawing height. Here is an example of the difference in angle height, starting with the 20 degree, 30 degree, which is now my favorite, and the 72 degree, which I never used, not even with the original model, but if you like easel style drawing, then this setting's definitely for you. Another new feature is the magnetic cradle. The iPad clicks in pretty easily and securely locks it in place, as you can see me testing here. However, I wouldn't trust this feature only because during filming, my iPad did fall out, thankfully on my desk mat, and it would really suck if you tried to find out the hard way how strong this magnetic lock really is. It does support the new Apple Pencil Pro, allowing it to charge magnetically again on the iPad top. Also, for our lefties, rejoice! They added a pencil holder for our left-handed artists, again brand new to the Pro model, as the initial one only had right-hand support, so this one now offers left-hand support. The sketchboard's main highlight feature, and what initially sold me on it 4 years ago, is the fact that it works as an art station, allowing you to rest your arm while drawing. Now, if you're wondering, should I go ahead and purchase one of these for myself? The answer, in my opinion, is yes. It's very different from the iPad stands slash holders that you can find, on Amazon, the ones where it's really just holding the iPad itself. This is not only a tablet holder, but it's also an extender and an armrest that allows you to naturally just rest your hand on it while you're drawing. And to me, that in itself sets the Sketchboard Pro and Sketchboard Pro 2 apart from its competitors by a long shot. Now, if you already have the Sketchboard Pro and you're looking to upgrade to the 2, I would say it's not absolutely necessary unless, of course, you did what I did and upgraded your iPad to the new M4 13-inch model, because the Sketchboard Pro, the original one, does not support anything bigger than the 12.9 Pro. So you would be needing to upgrade that. And in that case, 100%. And secondly, if you are someone who travels a lot, the smaller size is really nice. It does make it more compact. And if you love to draw outside, then I would say, again, the secondary incline position just makes this model that much better than the original one. So in my opinion, if you're looking to take your Art Pro and you want a better station at your desk to draw at that is comfortable and that offers you more support and offers you more space for your arm to draw, then 100% I would say you need to get yourself a Sketchboard Pro. I have been using them for the last 4 years, and I'm really excited to get started with this new model in my art journey. Anyways, guys, if you need a link to it, I will put it down in the description below, as well as pin it in a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Sketchboard Pro for sending over the brand new model. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to use it in all my future art coming up. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.